Can you see in there, guys? Not too bad, eh? That's the packet right there. So now time for the water. So then we just close it up. And what time is it? All right. So in 5 minutes, we'll be back. All right. Simple procedure. Like that. Zip it up. Wait 4 minutes. Let's do this. Usually comes right out of the bag, no problem. So let's see. What seems to be a common theme with this is anytime you're doing any pasta, leave it in, I would say, extra 2 minutes at the very end. Well, it tastes good. Very surprised. I mean, I was expecting with these things to be not necessarily, if somebody didn't tell me, I would probably think it was homemade. I really would.